Hello, welcome to Ekidel, where we train future civil and structural engineers. My name is Fashe Uchet. If you notice, we started this greenhouse agro-farming structure, and we have done part 1, we have done part 2. Part 1 was modeling, while part 2 was loading. So today we are going to be looking at the analysis and design of this, and also how to make this particular structural element to pass in case any of them fail. Is that okay? And you know that last time we loaded this. Is that okay? We loaded this. You can see our load. Dead load 0.5, wind load is what? 4 km per meter square. Is that okay? And for those who will not watch this video from the beginning to this point, alright, it's okay. But I want to say there are some changes I made. Is that okay? And so that at least those who are following will learn better. Now those who stop at part 2, that's where they stop, and the adjustment made, they will not know it. So it's better for you to always follow our videos, because we want to train you such that you have confidence in yourself. Is that okay? All right, and you know that we are doing what is right. Okay, last time I waited for this to adjust this. Last time I used beam. I use beam to do this foundation. Last time I used beam, and you know that for beam to be able to pass, it will require column. Is that okay? It requires column. Is that okay? So for it to pass, so, and you know that this particular one we are using is not the type of column for beam, isn't it? So, and we are expecting this particular one to hold, to carry this particular stanchion, because we call this one stanchions. And for it to be able to pass design, definitely what we must use wall. This wall we can use. And if you look at it, you can see how I've made the adjustment to this. How did I make this adjustment? Is that okay? I'm going to be doing one. Is that okay? I will do only one for you to see. Is that okay? How this adjustment is being done. Is that okay? Because you can be imagine, how did they do this wall? How did you do it that we are having this such height and accurate as you can see? Is that okay? So for me to show you that now, so let's now go there to show you before we now go into what? Into analyzing and designing. Is that okay? All right, so I'm going to be deleting this one now. I'll click on it and delete. Is that okay? As I've deleted it now, is that okay? I'm going to bring up the wall. Is that okay? The wall property, because initially it was like this. Is that okay? It was, let me go back and remove all of this. Let me remove all of this. Is that okay? I remove all of it because at the height of this before was, let me put it back, this one was this. Can you see the height? You can see the height of the wall. Can you see it? You can see this height. And also before it was what? The foundation of this. Is that okay? I came to this place now. I came to this place to do what? To adjust this. Where is it? Okay, come to this place now. Come to this and then edit, and come to edit. And then this place of my foundation, you know that Prota normally give what? 1100. So I made my own 500. Is that okay? It's a small structure, 500 depth. Is that okay? All right. So I'll click on yes, no problem. So it depends on at your own end. So that is that. So for me now, and I came to this place now to click on my wall. Sorry, my wall itself. Double click on it. Then the property at the top, I'm taking the top down by minus 2900. I think that was what I used. And at the top, at this side, it's also minus 2900. Is that okay? And now click on what? Update. Can you see it now? So you can see how I adjusted it. So can you see it now? So I adjusted both the top and also the bottom. So you can now see what we are having is looking very, very real as our structure. So with this one now, we'll be able to pass what? Our design, because with wall, this is a wall. Is that okay? Either there is beam or no beam. Sorry, whether there's a column or no column, it will definitely what? Pass the design. Is that okay? Except the section is sufficient. Is that okay? All right. Also, this particular one, you can now see what we have. We have already done this one last time. Is that okay? And I also changed, maybe do some touches. Is that okay? I loaded it. Everything you can see it was it's 4 wind load is 4 km per meter square, and also our 0.5 as our dead load. Is that okay? We have explained a lot about this. So how do you now go about this one now? For us to analyze this, I'll go to my analysis now. Click on building analysis. Then I'll come here now, come to analysis. Then first of all, let's do our building model check. If there's any error, let's check if there's any error on our modeling. At this stage, I want to say, in case you have not clicked on like button, I want to say like this video. Is that okay? Because a lot are willing to learn this, and for you to know this is very, very important. You know how to go about this. Is that okay? So for you to know how to go about this, you need to watch this video from beginning to the end. Is that okay? All right. So no error. I'll click on close, and also I'll come here now and click on I've done the building model check. I'll come here, yes, building analysis, and from this point now, I click on this because that's what there's wall, and also click on this. Is that okay? And also click on this, and also click on this. Is that okay? I don't have beam. We don't really have beam. There's no beam. Is that okay? There's no beam. We only have a wall. This one, and also I have my my steel. Then I'll click on on building analysis for you to start. Is that okay? All right. So if this is your first time, I want to say, please click on the subscribe button so that you can have access to our videos, and anytime we post video, you'll be able to be notified by YouTube that yes, we have posted a video for you to watch and also learn from it. Is that okay? All right. Either you like it or not, or anytime we post video, if you watch it, it's either it refresh your brain or also make you to also learn more. Is that okay? And for others to also learn, because you have already subscribed, there is need for you to click on like button, because the more they like, the more YouTube make this video to go viral. Is that okay? And for the benefit of others, even though you don't have anything to do with it, but for the benefit of others, it's good that you do you click on like button, so that YouTube will know that yes, this video is important for some people to learn. So what happened, they will send the video and make the video to go viral. Why? Because you have made it to go viral by clicking on on the like button. Is that okay? Out of love for others. Is that okay? So it's good to click on on the like button, and also comment. Your comment is very, very important. It's very, very important when it comes to watching the video. It's very important, so that if there's any observation, and also if there's anything you like us to talk about, or any structure you like us to explain, any part of the structure at all. Is that okay? It's through your comment you'll be able to know that. Is that okay? All right. And please do your best to also tell people about Ekidel. Is that okay? All right, that is fine. So we are waiting for it. In addition to what I have said, while we are waiting for it, we also have what we call Ekidel group, where all other engineers have come together to help one another to solve issues that pertain the structure. Is that okay? So that is that. You can now see this one. So for you to join that group, you can see the link below. Through that our WhatsApp group, you can actually contact us and join, and from there you'll be part of the group. Is that okay? I can now click on OK, and let's wait for it. So we can see it here now. Now click on close, and that is that. So now that we have done this one now, so the next thing we are going to be doing now is to check our design status to see those ones that are failing and those ones that pass the design. Is that okay? So I'll come here now, come to this review, and from this review I'll click on status. So can you see now, if you look at the status now, you can now see that most of the beams are failing, and also the columns, the stanchions now, they are failing. This is my stanchion, and this is my arc rafter. Is that okay? All right. So that is that. So if you notice how they are failing, can you see it? How they are failing in this particular place. So we are going to be editing this particular one now and see how we can make them to pass the design. So how do you go about it? Let's start with the first column. So I click on this. Then once I've clicked on it, you can see, let me click somewhere else again. So can you see nothing is here? Is that okay? Nothing is here. So can you see it now? So as I click on this, can you see this place now? You can see steel member design. So I click on it. I want to edit this column that is failing. Is that okay? This column that's failing, I'll just come here. You can see change section. I'll click on change section. Then I'll come to this, because I'm using circular column. I'll change it from this one to, let's say, this one. Is that okay? I will increase it gradually, and let's see if you can see it has reduced. It's okay. Utilization ratio have reduced. So let me go back again. Let me see if I can use a higher one. Let me see if I can use 10. Let's see if it will pass. I might not be able to do all, but I'm going to try my best to do few. It does not still pass. You know, it's having a wall load, so I'll use this one and this one. Let's see. I need to fall within that range. Okay, it's within that range. It's within this range. This range. Let me just use this one. Let's see, direct. Let's see. Correct. Can you see? It has passed the design, so you can see it has not passed. Let me see if I can still reduce it. If I can still reduce it, if you at this point, let me make it 10. Is that okay? Let me make it 10, and then this one. Let's see what we have. Can you see it has still passed? So if I want, I can still go ahead to reduce it and make it 8. Let's see. Let's see if 8 will pass. Can you see 8 pass? It's close to 1. Is that okay? Which is still okay. Is that okay? 0.94. Is that okay? It's still okay. Alright, I can click on OK. Can you see it now? I'll click outside. Can you see it has passed? I'll come to this second column too. This other column. This column now. And then also come to this where is it? Section here. And let's wait for it. I want to try to use the same thing and see if it will pass. Is that okay? We use since this one we use an 8. Is that okay? Click on this and then click on OK. No, this one might not pass. Can you see? Because it's higher. It's higher. So I'll go back. I'll go back, use this one and then make use of this. Click on this and click on this. Let's see. Correct. You can see it has now passed. I'll click on OK and then click on somewhere else. Can you see? So, but in this case now, since this one passed at this high level, I'll make this one to also pass the same level, so that in my detailing I will only use one. Is that okay? To stand for all of them. Is that okay? So I'll come here now. Sorry. Let's wait for it. This 1 point something less than that will pass, but because that one I've already passed at that high of that section, I'll just use the same thing. I'll just use the same thing. 12. I think this will use. Is that okay? Click on this. Okay, it's not the one. It's the second one. Second line, yes. So second line. So come here now. Was it this one that we have been using? Come here. Click on this. Okay, I'll just click on OK. This one just to make everything pass. Is that okay? To make everything pass, I'll click on this one again. I click on this, right click and click on that's this one, or you go up there and click. So let's wait for it. Still the same thing. Okay, this one is 2, so that one will still pass. That one will still pass. This 19 by 8. 19 by 8. Let's see. Okay, it's not passed. So let's see. 19 by 12. 19 by 12. This one should pass. 19 by 12. Click on OK. Correct. Can you see it now? That's passed. Click on OK. Okay. Can you see it? That one have also passed. So now that's how we are going to be doing it. So what I'm going to do now, let's now edit this one. This arc rafter. Click on it. Right click and click on section design. That this one, or come here, whichever one. So you can now see that they are all filling. Can you see how they are filling here? So all I would need to do is to come here, change section, and then I'm using this. This is what I use. Let's see if we can use just this higher one for now. Let's see what will happen. Is that okay? You can see majority passed, but some have not passed, so I have to come here again. Is that okay? Come here now. From this one now, let me use a by 4. 4 pass. Let's see thickness. Oh, even failed. Hopefully, let's go back. Let's go back. Okay, at this one with this, or what did we use that time? Let's see. Okay, that's all passed, but remain this one. Okay, remain this one. 1 point this less than this. Okay, which one did we use? Which one did we use? We use this and this. Let's use this one and this. Let's see. Let me just use 10. Okay, let's come here now and see. Okay, yet it's not still passing, even those of other are passed, but it has to pass. Very, very important. It has to pass. Is that okay? So it has to pass. Let me now use this. It must pass. Without, if not, we cannot ignore it. Correct. Can you see it has passed now? This one have passed with this, so I can now click on OK. Click on OK. Click somewhere else. Undo. Can you see it now? We click on undo. Okay, redo it back, Control Y. Okay, is that okay? That's how to go about ProtaStructure 2025. Is that okay? I also come here again, do the same thing here, click on this, come to section or steel member design. So come here again, you can also see the same thing. I'll come here. Is that okay? You have to master the value that passed the design that time. Is that okay? Which I did not take note of. Is that okay? So let me just use up this. Let me use this one and let's see what will happen. Okay, I know something higher than that, so let me go back again. I think we use something 90 or something like that, and something higher. Let me see. Correct, they all pass the design. Can you see it now? They have all passed the design. So let me go back. If I can reduce it, if I can reduce this one to 10, and let's see thickness, let's see. Okay, they all pass. Okay, this is 8. If it's 8, can I change it to 9? To 8. It's 10. Can I change it to 8? Let's see. 8 might fail. Let's see. I'll give us 9. Correct. Can you see? 8 pass. Can you see? I can now click on OK. Is that okay? I can now click on outside, then undo, and then redo it back. So can you see it now? So this is how you go about. Can you see how we are designing everything now? It's passing the design. So I'm going to pause this video to complete it. Is that okay? And then we'll now come together to finish the rest. Is that okay? All right, that's fine. So let's now complete this last one here together in terms of the rafter, the curve rafter. So before I enter column again, so let's complete this one together. So I'll come here now, click on this. Just click on this. I want to make it uniform, so that's why I'm just using the same thing. Is that okay? I want to make it uniform. So can you see it's passing correct? So I'll click on OK. Then click on this one. Either you click on do or this one again, and then click on OK. So can you see pass? You can now see what we have now. You can now see that they have all passed the design. Can you see all this one have passed the design now? So we are good to go with this one now. So the next thing now is my column. So I'll continue with the column. The last one we're gonna now do it together. Is that okay? All right, that's okay. So now you can now see we have done everything. So this one, last one now, let's now do it together. This is the last one. So I'll click on this and then come here now, and then let's wait for it. Is that okay? I'll click on this, come here now, and change this one to this. Let's see if it will pass. Okay, that's passed. Okay, so can you see it now? So you can now see how we have successfully designed this particular greenhouse agro-farming structure. So you can now see it now. So this is how we have done this. You can now see how we have successfully designed this. Can you see it now? So you can now see this is it now. So this is how you go about despite the loading. You can imagine a wind load of 4 kN per meter square. So and all of that. And why is he even requesting for this? Because of the wind load. Assuming just a normal load without wind load, you'll have a less, very less diameter of section, lesser than all the one we have used here. Can you see it now? So everything perfectly designed. So can you see it now? So this is it. So I want to say that if in case up to now you have not clicked on like button or subscribe, if this is your first time, please do so, because the more you like, the more you to make this video to go viral, and the more you subscribe, the more it's also benefit us. Is that okay? Just to encourage us at least to keep on doing what we are doing. Is that okay? By click on the like button, you are telling us to keep on doing more. By subscribing, you are encouraging us. Is that okay? All right, which I believe that you would like to encourage us, and the way you can encourage us is through your comment and also subscribing and also liking our videos. Is that okay? So finally, let me now show you how we go about this foundation. Is that okay? You can see that our wall have been designed. Can you see all of them designed successfully, even though we have not done interactive design? Is that okay? So now let's now do the foundation for this. Is that okay? Let's now check our foundation for this. I'll only do one just to give you the idea of what we are trying to do. Is that okay? So I'll come here now, come to my foundation. I'll click on this first one now, click on this one, and then come to insert part footing, because that's what you are going to be using. Is that okay? So let's wait for it. It's still coming up, so let's wait for it. It's still coming up, it's still loading. So you can now see what we are having. So you can now see with the kind of foundation we are having, and what is giving us is giving us a 3,700 by 3,700. So okay, the length is 3,700 from here to here, 3,700. So that is that. So now, how do you now go about this? You can now say one in uplift axial force is found in what? In a combination. That means the upward force is more than downward force. So on that note now, based on the bearing capacity, is that okay? And this is what we are having. So what do you do to now take care of this? To take care of this, you come to your load, column load. Now in this place now, you can see, if you look at it, all of them, let's look at this. This submission load, this is the highest load here. This first one is 185.7, 185.7. So 185.7 is the highest load here. So I'm going to use envelope, design envelope. Can you see? Not combine, design envelope automatically. Can you see? It has passed. So now that it has passed, I'll come back to my geometry. Now I want to reduce it along this. Is that okay? Along this, because this is too much. But this case I might leave it. Is that okay? I can only bring it closer. Is that okay? Since I'm still going to do the next one, so I'm going to reduce only this. The major one I'm going to reduce is this particular y direction. I'll come here, begin to reduce it. Is that okay? Because it doesn't make sense. So now let's look at it. So that's why it's better for you to understand your structure. Is that okay? Come here now. You can see I'm reducing it to give me real design. Is that okay? So let's go ahead. Okay, I still want something like 1000 plus. Is that okay? And let's, yes, 1514 1000. Yes. Okay, let's wait for it. Okay, with this depth, okay, that's still okay. 1002 should be okay. Yes, 1002 is okay. I don't want to go below this. Okay, let me now check my rebar. Check my, you can see it's Y20. I don't want Y20. Y16, Y16, Y16. Okay, I'm using Y16. So for it is okay. All right, so that's for me. And check here now, everything's still okay. Okay. So I'm not going to click on square. Is that okay? So that is that. You can now see what I'm having here. 400 by what? By this. So I can still reduce this depth. This depth, I believe it can still pass. Is that okay? It will still, but if you reduce this depth, that's in our settings. I believe 300 should be able to pass the design. Is that okay? So that is that. So in this case now, let me reduce this one. Let me reduce this. I want to reduce it to be at the edge. Correct, because of the next one. Okay, let me take it back. Okay, yes. Okay, so that is that. So looking at this one now, this place there is no any value showing red, and this place actually not successful, and our rebar is very okay. Okay, let me take it back. You jump into 20. Okay, let me see. Okay, everything's okay. Seems to be okay. Yes, geometry okay, column rebar okay, still okay there. And at this point now, I can now see what, click on OK. Is that okay? So we can now see what we have here. So if I go to the 3D view now, so let's see where the side. Can you see it now? Can you see what we are having? You can see it. Can you see it? So this is what we have. So this is how you go about it. Is that okay? So thank you so much. Till I see you next time. In our next video, I want to say, keep on talking about Ekidel to others, and like our videos, and also subscribe if this is your first time. Is that okay? Once again, my name is Fashe Ochet. God bless you. Till I see you next time. Bye.